Madam, you said you are here for 1.5 years.
1 year.
1 year. Okay. Before this, where were you?
I was in Bangalore.
Bangalore. For how many years?
Sir, we are recording something.
I am recording. You tell
cannot
me.
record, sir.
No. You tell me how
It's
many years
not-
you are in Bangalore and why you are not learned Kannada.
So you cannot
Why you are
record.
not speaking in Kannada? Why you are not?
cannot record.
No. You are not.
So you
You are
cannot
not
record. It is
speaking
not
in
allowed.
Kannada in
It is not
Karnataka.
allowed.
You are working in Karnataka.
It is not allowed.
It is not. See,
So
you are adamant. You are adamant person. You are for last 4.5 years. You are in Karnataka.
Hello. Hello. हाँ वही बोल रही ना. So you are not allowed to record.
You are supposed to speak in Kannada
Sir,
within 6 months of joining in Karnataka branch.
Sir, you are not allowed.
You are not allowed to speak in English.
I'm calling
Why
you
are
for
not?
calling.
Why are not speaking in Kannada? Why are not speaking in Kannada? Tell me. Why you are not learnt?
Sir, just 1 second.
Why you not learnt? Tell me.
Sir, I got a call.
No.
Let me-
You answer me. You are for last 4 years. You are in Karnataka.
Hello. Hi, yes sir. हाँ ये नंबर. ठीक है सर. ठीक.
4 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ